SAP EHS Training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions Yumtan. Master SAP EHS Environment, Health and Safety, and gain expertise in workplace safety management, environmental compliance, occupational health, incident management, risk assessment, and regulatory reporting. Our comprehensive SAP EHS training program helps professionals streamline EHS processes and ensure compliance with industry regulations. This hands-on training is designed for professionals and organizations looking to manage environmental, health, and safety operations, efficiently using SAP EHS solutions. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The training program is designed to equip learners with knowledge and skills necessary for effective management of workplace hazards and risks. The program focuses on developing critical thinking, problem-solving, and decision-making abilities. The training program for Phase 1 focuses on introducing learners to the concept of bridging real-world workplace risks with enterprise-grade compliance tools. Learners are equipped with the skills to track incidents, manage hazardous materials, and reduce operational risks within a unified SAP environment. The primary objective of this phase is to enable learners to meet regulatory and legal obligations by gaining a comprehensive understanding of safety risk management and compliance. The SAP EHS training program provides a comprehensive framework for managing workplace hazards and ensuring compliance with regulations. The program includes modules on incident management, hazardous materials handling, and regulatory compliance. It also covers topics such as waste management, hygiene practices and MSDS, material safety data sheets, documentation. The training is designed to equip employees with the knowledge and skills necessary to identify and mitigate risks, prevent accidents, and ensure a safe working environment. The training program is fully personalized, flexible, and practice-oriented, designed specifically for professionals who wish to achieve deep mastery in their field. This one-to-one guidance ensures that learners can focus on their own pace and goals, with a comprehensive curriculum covering essential topics such as environmental safety, incident handling, hazardous materials management, and compliance traceability. Individual training provides learners with a personalized pace, allowing them to progress through the material at their own speed. Dedicated mentors provide guidance and clarity on every EHS process concept, ensuring that learners understand the material thoroughly. Practice-oriented hands-on configuration tasks and real application scenarios help reinforce key concepts and skills. One-to-one guidance from experts ensures that no concept is left unclear, providing learners with confidence and mastery of the subject matter. This approach enables learners to develop practical skills and knowledge, essential for effective EHS management. By moving at their own pace, learners can focus on areas where they need improvement, maximizing their learning experience. The combination of personalized pacing, one-to-one guidance, and practice-oriented learning activities fosters a comprehensive understanding of EHS principles and practices. Learners can apply their knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios, developing expertise and competence in EHS management. With individual training, learners can achieve mastery of EHS concepts and practices, enhancing their organization's overall performance and success. The corporate training program for SAP EHS is a comprehensive approach that focuses on developing practical skills and knowledge. The program is designed to equip employees with the necessary tools and techniques to effectively manage environmental, health, and safety, EHS, issues within their organization. The training covers various aspects of EHS management, including risk assessment, compliance, and regulatory requirements. The program also includes hands-on labs and real-world case studies to help participants develop practical skills and apply them in their daily work. The company's corporate training program offers a range of benefits to employees. These include improved communication skills, enhanced problem-solving abilities, and increased productivity. Employees who participate in the program report feeling more confident and prepared to tackle challenging tasks. Moreover, the program helps employees to develop essential skills such as leadership, teamwork, and time management. By providing a supportive environment, the program fosters collaboration and innovation among team members. The training also emphasizes the importance of adaptability and flexibility in today's fast-paced business environment. As a result, participants are better equipped to handle changing circumstances and navigate complex organizational structures. Overall, the corporate training program plays a vital role in supporting employee growth and development. The course agenda outlines the key topics that will be covered during the training session. The main focus is on providing foundational knowledge on environmental health and safety principles and core tools within the SAP EHS system. The course will cover essential topics such as an overview of environmental health and safety, basic data and tools, specification management, and substance handling. Learners will also gain practical experience with setting up and navigating the system, as well as managing specification data and creating centralized phrase catalogs for safety texts. By the end of the course, learners will have a solid understanding of the core components of the SAP EHS system and be able to apply them in their daily work. The management team has decided to implement a new safety program to address the growing concerns about workplace injuries and illnesses. The program will focus on defining and managing workplace zones and exposure boundaries, tracking and evaluating employee exposure to workplace hazards, identifying and evaluating workplace risk scenarios, assessing risks using a risk assessment process, recording and analyzing workplace measurement data, and logging, investigating, and closing workplace incidents. The company's safety policy states that all employees are responsible for maintaining a safe working environment. Employees are expected to report any hazards or near misses to their supervisor immediately. The safety team will provide training and support to help employees understand the importance of safety and how to identify and report hazards. The safety program will be implemented through a series of workshops and training sessions. These sessions will cover topics such as hazard identification, risk assessment, and emergency response procedures. The safety team will also conduct regular site visits to monitor progress and provide feedback to employees. The company will establish a safety committee to oversee the implementation of the safety program. The committee will consist of representatives from various departments and will meet regularly to discuss safety issues and make recommendations for improvement. The safety program will be evaluated regularly to determine its effectiveness in reducing workplace injuries and illnesses. The evaluation will involve reviewing data on workplace incidents, conducting surveys of employees, and making adjustments to the program as needed. The company will also provide incentives for employees who participate in the safety program and demonstrate a commitment to safety. This could include recognition awards, bonuses, or other rewards. The safety program will be reviewed and updated annually to reflect changes in the workplace and to ensure that it remains effective in preventing workplace injuries and illnesses. The course covers key learning areas such as dangerous goods management, including configuration of dangerous goods classification and master records, running compliance checks and generating required shipping documents, template processing and reporting. The course also focuses on producing regulatory-ready reports for dangerous goods activities. Effective waste management requires careful planning and setup. Learners will configure and track waste transport partners and movement, set up and manage waste-generating locations, and learn how to manage approved disposal vendors. They will also generate waste manifests and regulatory compliance reports. Mastering these skills enables learners to dispose of waste responsibly and in compliance with regulations. The module focuses on the operational aspects of service-side EHS operations, specifically on disposal processing. Disposal processing involves the collection and treatment of hazardous waste, which requires careful planning and coordination. The module provides guidance on how to implement effective disposal processes, including the creation of documentation and reporting systems, as well as the establishment of procedures for handling hazardous materials. The organization has implemented cross-cutting core skills integration to ensure that all EHS processes are aligned with business and regulatory requirements. The goal is to turn operations into audit-ready compliance evidence. To achieve this, the organization has developed a comprehensive framework that integrates EHS processes with business operations. This framework ensures that EHS data is relevant, accurate, and meets the required standards for audits and compliance. The organization's EHS team works closely with business stakeholders to identify areas where EHS processes need to be integrated with business operations. They also provide training and support to employees to help them understand how to integrate EHS processes with business operations. Additionally, the organization provides resources and tools to help employees develop the necessary skills and knowledge to perform EHS tasks effectively. By integrating EHS processes with business operations, the organization can demonstrate its commitment to sustainability and reduce the risk of non-compliance. The organization's EHS team also helps to develop an integration mindset among employees, which enables them to connect EHS processes to real business requirements. This mindset is critical in ensuring that EHS processes are aligned with business operations and that EHS data is accurate and reliable. The training outcomes for this course are as follows. You will be able to navigate and operate within the system, build effective EHS workflows, and confidently move through SAP. You will be able to configure and manage EHS modules to reduce risks associated with hazardous materials, waste, and improved workplace safety. You will be able to drive compliance by producing reports and documentation that meet regulatory standards and satisfy internal audits. Modules in our SAP EHS training program are carefully designed to build upon one another, creating a seamless flow of knowledge and skills. Each module is interconnected, allowing learners to progress from one concept to the next in a logical and cohesive manner. This approach enables learners to develop a comprehensive understanding of product safety, hazardous substance handling, and compliance reporting. By mastering these fundamental principles, learners can effectively apply them in their daily work, ensuring that their operations are not only safe, but also compliant with regulatory requirements. The connection between modules fosters a holistic approach to EHS management, where every aspect of the training is integrated and interdependent. As learners progress through the program, they will find that the concepts and skills learned in earlier modules provide a solid foundation for the more advanced topics covered later on. This skill transfer capability allows learners to quickly adapt to new situations and challenges, making them more effective and efficient in their roles. By linking the modules together, we ensure that our learners gain a thorough understanding of the complex relationships between product safety, hazardous substance handling, and compliance reporting. This results in a more robust and sustainable EHS system, better equipped to meet the demands of a rapidly changing environment. The new SAP EHS training program incorporates real-world scenarios into its curriculum. Learners will have the opportunity to work on practical projects and cases that are based on actual SAP EHS implementations. This allows learners to gain hands-on experience and develop a deeper understanding of the concepts covered in the course. The focus of the program is on covering essential topics such as process flows, material safety data sheets, MSDS overviews, and EHS project type structures. As learners progress through the program, they will be able to apply their knowledge in a real-world setting, making them more effective and efficient in their roles. The new approach enables graduates to take on practical, deployable tasks, giving them a competitive edge in the industry. The IHS Emphasis Industrial Hygiene and Safety Deep Dive is an optional extension that provides learners with a deeper understanding of industrial hygiene and safety. This extension focuses specifically on the key areas of industrial hygiene and safety, including master data setup for industrial hygiene objects, hazardous substance and product safety configuration, risk assessment design and documentation, compliance tracking, and regulatory alignment. This extension is ideal for EHS, environmental health and safety, specialists, safety officers, and compliance managers who require targeted SAP EHS expertise. The extension offers a comprehensive approach to managing industrial hygiene and safety, providing learners with the knowledge and skills necessary to implement effective safety protocols and ensure regulatory compliance. The company has been providing SAP EHS training since 2010. Since then, they have trained over 10,000 people across various industries. The training covers topics such as risk management, compliance, and safety management. The training is delivered through a combination of classroom instruction, online learning modules, and hands-on exercises. The company uses a proprietary system called SAP EHS to deliver the training. The training is designed to meet the needs of both small businesses and large corporations. The company has received positive feedback from clients who have seen improvements in their safety records and productivity. The training is flexible and can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. The company has a strong reputation for delivering high-quality training that meets the needs of its clients. The SAP EHS training program is designed to provide comprehensive knowledge and skills for managing environmental health and safety issues. The program covers various topics including industrial hygiene safety, dangerous goods, waste management, product safety, and more. The training is delivered through a combination of instructor-lead sessions, online modules, and self-paced practice exercises. The goal is to equip participants with the necessary tools and techniques to effectively manage environmental health and safety risks and promote sustainable practices. SAP EHS training provides a comprehensive framework for managing environmental, health, and safety, EHS, risks and ensuring compliance with regulations. This training enables individuals and teams to effectively manage incidents, hazardous materials, waste management, and regulatory compliance within a single platform. The training covers key areas such as incident reporting, hazardous material handling, waste management, and regulatory compliance. By using this training, organizations can ensure their safety work is measurable, traceable, and audit-ready. The training is delivered through a combination of instructor-led training, online courses, and self-paced learning modules. Individuals and teams can enroll in the training to gain the necessary skills and knowledge to manage EHS risks and ensure compliance with regulations. The training is designed to be flexible and accessible, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. With the training, organizations can improve their overall safety performance and reduce the risk of accidents and injuries.